Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use templates for your slides in the Canva application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should select the project that you have created, tap on it. And after that you should click on the plus icon down below in the left side corner of the screen, tap on design and then click on templates at the top, and here you can find a bunch of available templates, and they are also organized into distinct categories just such as Christmas, and within a particular category you have subcategories. So as I have selected Christmas, there are many subgroups such as Christmas background, Christmas party, Merry Christmas, Christmas pink, and so on. Tap on the relevant template you want to try out, click on it, tap on add as new page or replace current page, and here you will be able to find it. If you want to customize it, you can tap on the relevant text box, delete the current text and then type in your own. So that's how you can customize it. If you tap on the edit button, you can do so that way. You can ungroup it, select the font size, the color, the format space, you can add effects, you can add animation, and so on. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.